Benefits of having a drone and living right by the water. I don't hook up on a north wind. I get the drone out and I fly and I go scout to see where the water level is. That lets me know if it's time to make fishing rods instead of go fishing. So let's go check it out. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's getting cold. I can tell the wind's blowing pretty hard today. So yeah. Man, that water's low right there. Okay, I'm coming down that lower board right there. If it's at the bottom of that board, I can go out, but anything less than that, I don't go out. And it's way low. And I'm gonna go check out in the Cotton Lake and see the area where I come across, see how really low that is. Yeah, it's well, it looks like I'm going to be making fishing rods today. Oh, and look at over there. It's just mud, straight mud right there along the rocks. Definitely nobody's going out of the neighborhood, that's for sure today. Well, back to the house. Quick overview. Time to bring it in. Well, they say a good day on the water is better than being at home. There's no water hardly, so it's better being home today. Be careful, guys. Watch your water levels. Watch your wind direction. Stay blessed.